This is a cabinet factory in Nanhai District, Foshan, Guangdong Province. There are no assembled products, no rolling machines, and busy workers shuttle around. Unlike a traditional facility, it's not the worker command machine, but the other way around. There is a QR code on every piece of the panel, and once it has been scanned by the machine, the workflow will be automatically proceeded. Workers only need to follow the orders that's showing on the screen. Take this piece of the yellow panel as an example. It has been done by the intelligent ball cutting equipment, and now is going to the double-sided edge bending machine, then passed on to worker Mr. Liu by the outer roller. By scanning the QR code, the whole process from cutting to edge bending, then drilling and packaging in the end, all could be done within 5 minutes. If people consider intelligent equipment as the body, then the software system will be the brain that gives the command. On the first floor of the company's building, there is a screen that shows the cloud design, which means it's collecting real-time data from all the designs that has been uploaded around the country. By collecting on the cloud, all the designs will be transferred into data, and it is analyzed for marketing purpose to understand consumer preferences. Once the design has been approved and signed by the customer, the order analysis system will move on to the assembly process. If consider the whole process as a relay race, then Mr. Zhu from the crafting center will be the first baton. They use 3D models to 100% restore the products the customer ordered and assemble them into productionable list. Relying on the virtual reality designing system, the crafting center disassembles orders into productionable list. The second baton, which is the production planning center, will start the order mixing process. Just like merging cells in Excel, Mr. Shi, another software expert in the department, will merge the panel under the standard of the same material, color, thickness, into same mass production batch. The customized product information will be converted into digital data, and it will be transmitted to the producing equipment through the server. The QR code that has been formed is for the machine to understand the productionable process, and this is all developed by Mr. Yang and his team. In the process of combining orders that require the same type of raw material will be checked, calculated, and combined, then applied to the same board for the cutting process. Take the production of a set of cabinets as example. The process, including producing them with all different kinds of materials, can be complete in less than 24 hours. All the finished panel will then be shipped and assembled in the customer's property. No matter what kind of requirement the customers have, the modern intelligent facility will produce and complete the delivery within 10 days. Because countless marketing analysis and digital information processing has been done in the early stage, this modern factory is able to produce more than 450,000 pieces of panel. In this digital factory, each panel can be made into different sizes, then slotted and sealed, then assembled into different designs. Apply whatever it takes to maximize the utilization of the raw material, which reduces waste and cost. For Mr. Liao, who is the engineer, his pursuit is to maximize the usage of every piece of the material board. By using the computer next to the equipment, Mr. Liao consistently modifies the system computing data, just for adjusting the equipment to the best operating state. After 3 months of technical research, Mr. Liao's double-headed cutting machine was successfully developed. Mr. Chen, an electrical engineer who participated in the R&D, became the first person to operate it. There is 8 equipment like this in the workshop. Mr. Chen ran a calculation, which shows that with the new equipment, the material utilization rate can be increased to 93%. The most direct effect of this new technology is that when the rate increased by 1%, the company will save at least 10 million Chinese yuan in cost. With the help of high intelligence and big data, the integrated system realizes transparency of machine processing information and realizes the visualization of the working time. The general manager, Mr. Li, can see the status of any particular equipment in the company's 5 workshops, even when he is away from the factory. Based on all the innovation and technologies, This traditional manufacturer in Guangdong has also entered the fast lane of growth. Last year, the annual revenue reached 7 billion Chinese yuan. For China's customization market segment and its 200 billion Chinese yuan market value, as well as the corporate strategy of expanding in Asia, Mr. Li and the company are confident to realize more achievement in the future.